Hello, guys. I hope y'all are doing good, man. Hey, man, it seems like the debate about who the king of Likombo is will never end, dog. It seems like it will never end. As Dr. Malinga came out and said this on his Facebook, uposte wathi, King of Likombo is Shebe shit. Go argue with your ancestors. They will confirm what I just said. Thanks, bye. So uDr. Malinga basically uthi King of Likombo ushebe shit. King of Likombo ushebe shit kuphela and akekho nje omlandayo ushebe shit. So ngapho uyazi ne ukuthi kunabanye abantu vele abacomparisha ushebe shit no-Tribe. Uthi uTribe naye ngathi uzoyithatha iposition akaShebe shit, and then on top of that manje kunabanye abantu bathi ufana samuchachu LPK naye ngathi ufikile uzoyithatha iposition akaShebe shit. So wena uthini mbukeli, awuthi ngizwe ngawe ukuthi wena uthini? Do you think ukhona umuntu okhompyuta noShebe shit, or nawe uvumelana noDr. Malinga ukuthi Shebe shit is the king of Likombo and no one's gonna touch him? No one will ever surpass him. No one will ever be bigger than him. What do you think? Asizweni ngani? Please commentani ningitshele ukuthi nina ngifila kanjani ngalento. Nami angithathi side. Ngifuna nje ukuzwa ngani ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi uShebe shit uyi-king of Likombo or uTribe, or cause mina mangisengibeka nje eyami iview lana ne. Afethu uShebe shit wenze okukhulu for iLikombo, if we're being honest, guys. Yakhumbula ukuthi Shebe shit makaqala ukutrenda, I think it was 2023 when he started like trending for real. Abantu bebacabanga ukuthi this one uzotrenda nje for isikhashana and then kuphele ngaye. Kodwa hayi fethu, uNkulunkulu cause umkhulu uthi hayi sobona ngalokho. Shebe shit namanje usamile 3 years. Is it 3 years? Let's see. 2023, 2024, 2025. Yes, 3 years later usamile uShebe shit. Usaroka, usatrenda, usadropa ama-hits. Namanje irato laka mfethu masibheka bekuyi-number 1 song in South Africa. Currently trending number 1, cabanga. So nami ngingasho nje ukuthi uShebe shit mfethu uyabulala mfethu. uShebe shit uyi-ghost. Uyashisa umjilo. So ngicela nikommente nje sizwe ngani ukuthi nina nicabangani ngale statement esenze uDr. Malinga lesi.
You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more Likombo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likombo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.